Hello, everyone, Ms. Wang is here again. Today, Ms. Wang brings you an old friend, which is our SDVC311. This variable frequency digital controller for vibratory feeder has completed 2 major upgrades this year. The first is the new push plate mode, and the controller's D port can do periodic output. One controller can realize both push plate machine drive and direct vibration drive. The second upgrade is that the controller has selective memory, and it has added pin parameters. Engineers can selectively restore saved parameters to avoid clearing all parameters during adjustment. You can selectively restore the desired parameter settings and adjust the feeding more flexibly. Hello everyone, it is a kind of fate to see Ms. Wang. Follow Ms. Wang, I will take you to learn more about controllers.